If you're learning how to decorate cakes and you're getting a lot of practice in and you're enjoying the process, chances are that you've started to take cake orders or you're considering doing so in the near future. There will be times when you just need to say no to accepting a cake order. The reasons for saying no could vary from not having enough notice to not being available that day, or, to being asked to make a cake where the skill level is a lot higher than where you feel you are. Whatever the reason, you'll want to become comfortable saying no to cake orders and doing so gracefully and without burning bridges. And I'm going to share my top tips for how to do just that. If someone calls you and puts you on the spot, try not to give an answer right then and there. So never say yes on the spot. Calls can be tricky because as you're building your business, what you always want to try to maintain is a paper trail. You want to get the person's name, email address, and telephone number and let them know that you're going to follow up with them via email. And that starts a paper trail to protect you as you're working with this particular cake client. The next thing that you want to do is thank that person for contacting you. There are a lot of different options out there, and the fact that this person took the time to reach out to you really shows that they are interested. So be sure to show gratitude whether or not you think you can accept that cake order. Now here's the important part, the actual part where you say no to the order. Simply say, "Unfortunately, I am not available." This is a really simple way to decline a cake order. And I know what you're thinking. You're going to feel obligated to give them a reason why, but the truth is you really don't have to tell them why you are not taking the order. So it's optional as to whether or not you want to disclose that information. For me, just simply saying I'm unavailable is good enough. Next, you want to offer to refer them to another baker if they don't already have someone else in mind. There's only one instance where I would not do this, and that is if the person has contacted me on very, very short notice. And the reason why I don't do this is because I don't want to put another baker in a bad situation to take on an order when they simply don't have enough time to fulfill it. And finally, what you want to do is say or state, "Please keep me in mind for future cakes." Again, you want to respectfully decline the cake order, but you don't want to burn any bridges. You want to leave that opportunity there for them to come back and potentially order cake from you in the future. If you need to take a step back and consider all of the different factors that go into whether or not you take a cake order, check out this video here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.